I'm in zone 6B, Southeast Michigan. Around May 2nd is my last spring fall frost. So I am perfect on the cusp. So mid-April to the beginning of May for us. I have the Happy Frog soil. I have the seed potatoes, the grow bags, soil acidifier, and the fertilizer I'm using. Okay, let's look at the potatoes themselves. This is a eye, is what they call it. So I would cut that chunk out right there. That's perfect. Another example of a eye is you're going to see a little spot like that. Here's another one that's already going. So first step is take the soil 6 to 8 inches up. The Espoma acidifier is to bring the pH down. It's to prevent a disease that's common in potatoes. We don't want that. And it seems to be the ideal range for nutrient uptake. I'll put that number here. Dr. Earth is a beautiful granule, slow release that's patent, has a microcosy in it as well, and it's ready and loaded to help feed the microorganisms that are already established with that awesome Happy Frog soil from Fox Farm. And then we have the acidifier here. I'm going to do, because this is highly suggested, is take about, it's like 2 cups, around a cup. Gonna mix that in, and to reduce the pH you need around a cup. You mix that in. This is the main growing space that the roots / potatoes are going to grow in. Later on in the season, if I need to have more of the potassium, which is the best thing that gives you the results for creating the potatoes themselves, the tubers, outside of keeping the thriving and photosynthesis and all of that, there's been studies showing that if you pay attention to the highest number of being potassium, it's going to give you the best yield. Now we can add our eyes, evenly distribute them. In this size of a bag, you can only do 4. Now I cover with 3 more inches. Enough leaves, which I have a lot of solar panels going on with them, collecting the energy that they need. I don't want to do it when it's low on the leaves, but when I get bigger ones and more established, that's when I do another layer of dirt, but leave them poking through just a little bit on the surface, the leaves themselves, and then that way they'll continue to want to grow at the final layer. Make sure to water well, till draining evenly, mulch the top in order to protect the microorganisms from the sun, set beside onions to help prevent pests,